I'm going to be showing you how to log in to First Bank online banking. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So to log into your First Bank online account, what you need to do is go to your specific bank's website. So it could be Bank First, First Bank and Trust. So it could be anything. Just go to your browser and search for First Bank. So just search for your First Bank and open it. After you're there, you have all these options. Once you're here, you have this option right here that says account login. Just go ahead and tap here and this will ask you to select account. So it could be for online banking. So just search for online banking. You have personal e-banking, business e-banking. I'm just going to select personal e-banking and just tap on login. And what you need to do is enter your username and your password and you're good to go. Just enter your password and just tap on login. And that's how you log in to First Bank online banking account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.